Are you having trouble with the Disney Plus app on your Sony Smart TV? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you simple and effective steps to fix it quickly. Steps. Step 1. Restart your TV. Turn off your Sony Smart TV, unplug it for a few seconds, and then plug it back in. This often fixes minor glitches. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. If possible, try restarting your router for a stable connection. Step 3. Update the Disney Plus app. Go to the App Store on your Sony TV and check if there's an update available for Disney Plus. Keeping the app updated helps avoid errors. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Go into your TV settings, find apps greater than Disney Plus, and clear the cache and data. This can solve most loading or crashing issues. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If the issue continues, uninstall the Disney Plus app and reinstall it from the App Store. Step 6. Update your TV software. Check for any pending software updates for your Sony Smart TV. Outdated software may cause app problems. Step 7. Factory reset. Last option. If nothing else works, perform a factory reset. Keep in mind, this will erase your settings and restore your TV to default. Outro, and that's it. By following these steps, you should have Disney Plus running smoothly on your Sony Smart TV. If you're still facing issues, contacting Sony support or Disney Plus support is the best option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.